Okay. Hold on, let me get set up real quick. What's up? So, I don't know if this is gonna be like long enough, but today I went to Olive Garden and like I ate some of my food, but I didn't finish it. So yeah, I'm eating right now. So hold up. I don't know if this setup is good. So this is my food. I got shrimp alfredo. That's what I'm talking about. It's not good setup. Sorry about my background. It's like really messy. Yeah. Let me just like put my food. You guys would rather see the food beside me. Yeah. I'm like trying to position myself to be comfortable. So yeah. So I think I'm just gonna eat, you know. I might just end this at a random time, cause you know. I don't know what to really talk about. I made like some lipstick today. Like not lipstick, lip balm. I have some Arrowhead water. So the other day, I went shopping with my friend. I went to the mall. There's these annoying little freaking kids. I don't know if they're little. They're like our age. We're like in the photo booth, and these people like opening the freaking curtains and stuff. Like straight up, I want to punch that girl in the face. Her and her friend. Like they're like interrupting and stuff. I'm just like, girl, please. If she ends up watching this, you think you guys are being savage and stuff, and you ain't. Y'all being annoying. Cause like they're walking toward the photo booth, and they're like, "There's take pictures in there," and I like open it so they can see that we're in there. Cause like, you know, you don't want to be people taking the photo booth. Like, no. So yeah, that's what. Like the last picture, like the last like you know when you take the ending. Yeah, that picture's messed up because I was yelling. Other than that, we went inside Roof 21. We saw these people, and they were just eyeballing me. They're like, so I'm just like, the heck? Do I know them? Do they know me? Like, why are they looking at me? I'm just like, that's messed up. Just walking to the store and people just staring at you the whole time. Like, you move this way, they're like, what up? I don't know what I just did there. Might not finish this because I, you know. I don't know. I didn't even finish it. Cause like, you know at the Olive Garden, you know how before they like give you like, I don't know, appetizers, like salad. They gave us salad and I took like 2 plates of salad. It's like, got 4. And like this is like carbs or something. So don't like carbs make you full easier, like more faster. My camera stopped this for some reason. Yeah. Oh my god. Wonder where it is. Oh, I got this at Claire's, this makeup cleaner brush. Like, it'll probably come in handy. Now, like, I got some cases there. It was like, buy 3, get 3 free. But the lady got us so confused and she said, I give you guys a good deal. She's like, not really. If you're making us pay 3 more expensive stuff and get the cheapest. I don't know, because first she said that, and then after we bought it, she said, I give you guys a good deal. I'll let you get the expensive stuff for free. I'm just like, what? What? She like, I don't know. Don't mind my nails. The middle finger and the thumb, they came off. It's like, yep. And yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. I might just end it right now, but I don't know. I'm not that hungry right now. I might just name this a boring mukbang. I cannot pronounce it. Yeah, I'm not hungry. Sorry guys for this lame mukbang. Someone please tell me how you pronounce it. Mukbang or mukbang? Mukbang, mukbang. Or some people like mukbang. I'm just like mukbang. Like what? Excuse me. I don't get. Oh no. I'm just gonna post some random videos cause you know YOLO. And if you guys are gonna be commenting, why you still have Christmas lights up in your room? That's not Christmas lights. It's called decoration, you know. I just wanted to have my room light up, kind of fur. Okay, I'm done. Bye.